How to trim videos on Samsung Galaxy devices. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily trim videos without any third-party apps on Samsung devices. In order to do that, first head over to your gallery. Now select the video that you want to trim. So I'm just going to select a random video from here. And once you've selected the video, you just need to go ahead and tap on the edit icon or the pencil icon at the bottom. And once you tap on edit, a new interface will open up on your screen. And here you can adjust its speed, increase or decrease its speed, depending on your choice. And once you have done that, you can click on this trim icon right here and then move around the video where you want to trim it. So let's say if I just want the middle part of the video, I'm going to move it from the both sides, and I'm just going to move it again. Now decrease the size of the video. And as you can see, the video is now trimmed to only 9 seconds. And if you want to save it as a copy, tap on the 3 lines and then save as copy. Or if you just want to overwrite the original video and turn it into a shorter one, just tap on the save option at the top right. And that's how you trim a video on Samsung devices. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. I'll see you on the next one.